How to use Google Meet. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and download Google Meet from App Store. Then you want to go ahead and open it. You can tap on New, that is on the bottom right corner, to create new meeting. Now you can go ahead and scroll down to connect or meet with your contacts, or you can create new meetings. Tap on Create New Meeting and then tap on Got It, that is on the right hand side corner. Here, now you can join meeting directly, or you can share the link with your friends, colleagues, or other people with whom you want to conduct this meeting with. Now here, tap on Join Meeting. Check your camera, audio, and then now you want to tap on Join. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Share Invite, and then you want to go ahead and share this meeting links with your friends. Now those people will enter to this meeting through that link. Now tap on Admit. Now when you go ahead and tap on three dots on the bottom right corner, you will see there are various options that you can do in this meeting. You can also raise hand before talking, you can add other people, in call messages, on the go, share screen, show caption, and various other things. So that is how to use Google Meet. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.